BrandKidCo. Size 39 by 21 inch, pack of 1. MaterialPolyester, metal. ColorWhite. StyleTwin to king. Item weight 5.22 pounds. Easy installation, no tools needed. 21 inches tall, perfect for thick mattresses. 39 inches long, great for in-out access. Comes attached as a pair. Cannot be used separately. Fits twin king mattresses. Top reviews from the United States. Works well, reasonable price, hard to install by yourself. I bought this because my elderly Jack Russell Terrier had fallen out of bed. I only needed one as he sleeps on the same side of the bed every night. I stand a pillow up in the gap between the headboard and the guard rail, but he normally doesn't go up to the very top or the very bottom of the bed. It has worked well. It is quite difficult to install by yourself, at least, for a queen-sized mattress, but I managed. But it is very secure, and he has fallen into it twice and leaned against it several times and it didn't move. Because it is so tight, it takes a little more time to get the fitted sheet in place, and that's fine. I wish it were a bit taller than it is. I think it's a good value for the price.